Deshauna and her team gathered data for for their ball and recorded in the table shown it right. And you can see here they very carefully recorded both their initial drop height and the rebound height for that. So you can see every single time if you drop around 70 centimeters, it's going to rebound up to about 59. When they dropped it for 110, it's rebounding up to about 92. Now I went through and I calculated all the rebound heights for that, and notice that rebound heights are equal to um, the rebound divided by the initial drop height. And when you look at these, they're all very, very close to, point, 0.82, 0.83, 0.84. So somewhere around 0.83 is what I would think is probably the average. It's a reasonable ratio that represents all of these. So for A, the rebound ratio is about 80.83 or 83%. Question B says, where is B? It says, predict how high Deshaun's ball will rebound if it's dropped from 275 centimeters. Look at the precision of Deshaun's measurement in the table around your calculation to a reasonable number of decimal places. So when I look at this, B, if this is dropped from a height of 275, I would say that and the rebound ratio is about 0.83. When I multiply those two, I get about 228. I get 228.25. That 0.25 quarter inch precision is not reasonable, so I would say that the answer is 228 approximately. On this particular problem, we're told that the ball is dropped from a certain height and it rebounds to 60. Rebounds up to 60. I can't remember if these are centimeters or inches, or is it? Yeah, these are centimeters. It rebounds up to 60 centimeters. So the question is, what's the initial height, right? What's this value of x? Well, to solve for x, we're dividing both sides by the rebound ratio, and I get about 72. And again, that would be probably what I would record. 72 is probably the initial drop height, not 72.3. For question D, if I drop the ball from 200 meters with that rebound ratio of about 83%, I'd expect it to come up to about 166 meters. And then I continued that table, right? So my drop height is at 200. It's going to come up to 166. That 166 was fed in as my next drop height. And with a drop height of 166, I'd expect it to come back up around 138. And at 138, I'd expect it to come back down to 114. And at 114, it would probably bounce back up around 95. So that is all the parts of question number 35.